Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sort files in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in Drive files. From here, we just here under Drive files we find last modified by me. If you tap on this, then we can set the sorting to either be by name, and now the documents are in alphabetical order. Last modified by me, or last opened by me. Yeah, so we have these 4 sorting variants, and that's pretty much it. You can use it in this view as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.